Welcome back to the YouTube channel for Paradigm Analytics. Today we are continuing our ThinkorSwim tutorial series by reviewing how to set alerts. To begin, log into the ThinkorSwim desktop app. If you do not have the app, you can download it at schwab.com. For those not using the desktop application, you can use your mobile device or the web-based version of ThinkorSwim by going to trade.thinkorswim.com. Let's get started. Let's first look at how to create a simple price alert. With a price alert, we will look to be notified if a stock breaches a certain price point. Let's set an alert from a stock chart by selecting the Charts tab near the top of the application. For this example, let's graph Tesla stock by entering the ticker or typing the full company name in the drop-down menu. Let's assume we want to be alerted when the stock price breaks its previous 52-week high, which we can see was last at $271 a share. Right-click on the chart and scroll down to the bell icon and select Create Alert. This new window shows the stock symbol we are setting an alert on. The default stock symbol will be auto-populated from the chart you selected to set an alert from, but can be changed if you desire. We want to know when the stock price of Tesla exceeds $271 per share, so we will leave price set to the default selection of mark standing for market price. The next drop-down menu gives us various options in the verbal format of greater than, less than, or equal to parameters. For this illustration, we simply want to know the first time 271 is breached, so we will select above and then further right change the price level to 271. Now that we have successfully established our desired parameters, we will simply select the Create button and the active alert is now displayed on our chart. Let's now look at how to edit alerts. Starting again from the Charts tab, if you wanted to cancel an active alert, you could simply click the X button on the previously established alert displayed in the yellow bubble. To quickly display all of your open alerts, select the Market Watch tab and then the Alerts button in the subheading. Here you will see our open alert on Tesla. If you wanted to cancel the alert from here, you could simply right-click on the alert and select Cancel. From this page and the drop-down menu brought up by right-clicking on an open alert, you have many other alert options to explore. All of these options are useful and will be explored in more depth in additional videos. In this video we will review the most important one, which is how you will be notified when the conditions of your alert are true. To do this, right-click on the alert and select Alert Notifications from the drop-down menu. You will have the option to receive an email, text message, or push notification to your mobile device. Simply hit Apply Settings when finished. That is how you create a price alert on ThinkorSwim. Look for our next video where we review study alerts. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to hit subscribe to be alerted when additional videos are published. For more information, visit our website at www.buildyourparadigm.com.